Welcome everybody. This activity is great practice for training yourself to see simple tools like mirroring, which exist in almost every CAD program that I know, almost all of them that I know. People get really nervous when they see you do something like that and wipe out a bunch of work, but it's really no work. It's actually fun. So there's all these tools that you can use to create sketches, and the simpler the better. Working smarter, not harder is the name of the game. Most of what I'm doing is using 3-point arcs and just bending them into place and connecting the dots. And once you've got all of your dots connected, you'll see that the shape, if you trace a shape, it's going to turn gray. That means it's a solid profile shape, a solid sketch profile that you can turn into 3D. I'm going to do this in front of everyone here, so I can hit escape, and that shuts down the use of a tool. This arrow is important to understand what you're looking at there. That's your selection for being able to grab, move, or just select and delete objects, or select a bunch of things to do this mirroring operation that I'm about to do. So this is when the moment when you want to take a visibility of whatever you're using to trace the image. Some programs work a little bit differently than this one, but here you go. You just click this mirror tool and it tells you what to do on all these programs. It's always multi-steps. You're going to select the mirror line and select the things you want to mirror. This program calls them entities. You can always select the mirror line without it causing any problems. This will happen if you don't select over everything, where things get missed. So sometimes zooming out is important, but seeing that you can do that and get anything that you've missed without any problem whatsoever, super simple. These steps in your workflow here, your sketches and everything, you can just double click to go back into. In this program, all you've got to do is hit the extrude button, and I don't want to double extrude here, so I'm going to hit this X and close that. I'm just going to double click here, and you can see that this opens back up. You can sculpt using just the grab arrow here, or you can put a measurement in. And there's no specific measurement that I'm looking for. I'm just looking for you to understand how to do this. And then one step further, you can right click on and edit the appearance down here and select the color, use the mixer. This works by using this gradient bar. So you can go into your rainbow of colors and then go into your palette colors here. You can also paste in custom colors. Go back to something simple that I'm already going to see here. The other thing you can control with the visibility here is these planes. So if you want to capture a picture, which you must capture a picture of all your work, clean it all up like that. You can screenshot and put these on your slides. Thanks for watching. I'll see you soon. Oh, one last thing. Right click, rename. I have a lot of people in my classes that end up having Part Studio 1 or whatever. That can be anything. Please label. Please label your work. Everything should be in one spot across the bottom by adding Part Studios. So work in one document, label your parts, and all will be well. See you soon.